They say dogs are man's best friend. That's why we only want what's best for them.
That's right. And what better way to show them our love but to cater to their needs, right? But it's not just about pet care and grooming, huh?
Yup, dahil ngayon, there's already what we call doggy daycare.
Nowadays, daycares aren't only for kids but also for our beloved pets.
Hey guys, we're here in Pooch Park in Ortigas, and we're here, the dog lover and owner of the store, Mr. Oliver. Hi, sir.
Good morning.
Can you talk about your store? What do you have here that's different from all the other dog stores out there?
Pooch Park is a dog daycare. Well, it's a dog and cat daycare.
Oh, and cats also?
Yes, yes. We can accept dogs or cats for daycare. For example, if you're going out for an errand and you're with your dog, and then sa mga malls, bawal yung mga pets, you can leave it here. Then we'll take care of your dog, let's say for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. And then after you do your errands, you can pick them up.
And you don't have to worry because you can be sure that your dogs are safe and are treated with ultimate care.
Through experience, I've learned how to do it myself.
Oh,
and then I taught my staff then.
Aside from the daycare, may iba pa silang services na para sa inyong cats or dogs.
what are your different services pa that you can offer to other people here?
Well, we have our professional grooming for dogs and cats. We have our basic obedience training.
Okay. So you also like train the dogs and the cats? Oh.
We train dogs sit, down, come, stay, and heel commands. Yes, we have our boarding facility. For example, if you're going out of the country or out of town for a few days, you can leave your dogs here at Pooch Park. And also we have our funeral services for...
That's something new.
Yes, yes.
That's the first time I've heard of it. So, can you kind of explain what actually happens dun sa funeral thing ng dogs?
We will do a cremation service on your pets.
That's nice kasi before us, yung family namin, we had a dog. Tapos, yung dilemma nga namin is, where do we bury the dog? Because it's hard naman to just, kasi syempre memorable nga sila.
Yes.
So, that's a nice thing na you can just cremate them. At least, you still have the memory of them nandun sa house niya. Tapos, I heard na may picture pa nakasama.
Yes.
One can say that this is a one-stop shop where people can buy all the things that their dog needs. Andito na lahat, from food to clothes.
We also offer food and like mga
accessories, collars, brushes.
Everything in one place.
Yes, we have dog food, dog treats. We have dog clothes also.
Can they leave their dogs here for like a day, 2 days, a week, a month?
For example, for the daycare, they can leave it here in a per hour basis. They can leave it here in the morning and then pick them up in the evening when we close shop. Or if they're going to board their dogs, we've accepted boarders for up to 2 months. Because their house is being renovated, so they have to leave their dogs here.
So what are your rates, sir, para for our viewers to know?
Yes.
If ever they wanna bring their dogs here.
Our daycare service is per hour. The first hour is 50 pesos only.
Oh, cheap, huh?
Yes, and then 2 hours 80, 3 hours 100. And every succeeding hour is 25 pesos.
So be assured that your pets are in good hands. Take them to Pooch Park.
Sir, maybe you want to invite your viewers to go here and visit your shop.
Yes, I'd like to invite everybody to visit Pooch Park Doggy Daycare. We're at 181 Auto Depot, Julia Vargas Avenue, Pasig. And we have another branch at Robinsons Metro East. You can visit our Multiply website. It's poochpark.multiply.com, or you can call us at 910-5036.
Okay guys, for all the dog lovers out there who don't have time and maybe you want to groom your dogs and train them kung medyo salbahe sila, just bring them here or the other branch, Pooch Park. Nice place. So, see you guys!